Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to share a YouTube video on Blogger. So in this video, I will show you to use two methods to share any YouTube video on the Blogger. Okay. The first one is you can open your YouTube video. For example, let me open my video from here. This one is the shareable link. I can open it. And now on the bottom of the video, here I can see share button. This one, click here, then select Blogger, and now I can select one of the blog, then click on share, and after that click on publish button. You can also preview it before publishing. So guys, here you can see how it looks. Then after that click on publish button, then confirm. Next method is simply you can go and open your Blogger blog, then click on new post. After that you can go back to your videos, then simply you can click on three dots, you can get video link. After that you can come back here, then on the top here you can see this one, insert image, insert video. Click here, then select YouTube. Now here you can add the link. This one is the video link, then click on search button. This one is the video, then click on insert, and after that you can add the title of the video here. Okay, let me go back. So this one is the video title. Vectorize image using AI tool, and then click on publish button. Also you can preview it. Okay, this one is the final step. So you can use these two methods to share your YouTube videos on your Blogger account.